I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Click on Create Integration. Search and select Forminator. Select a form. Click on Next. Now here search and select Mailrelay. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get domain name, go to the Mailrelay dashboard. Now copy the subdomain name from URL address. Paste it here. To get API token, click on Mailrelay API token. Click on Add to create your first API key. Select the user and click Create API key. Now copy the token key. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the subscriber status. Now map the field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mailrelay. Click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to Mailrelay page and click Subscribers. Here is the data that came into Mailrelay through the integration. Thanks for watching.